He opens his eyes, falls in love at first sight with the girl in the doorway. What beautiful lines, how full of life after thousands of years. What a face to wake up. He pulls back a sigh as she touches his arm. She dusts off the bed where till now he's been sleeping under miles of stone. The dried fig of his heart under scarab and bone starts back to its beating. She carries him home in a beautiful boat. He watches the sea from a porthole in stowage. He can hear all she says as she sits by his bed, and one day his lips answer her in her own language. The days quickly pass, he loves making her laugh. The first time he moves, it's her hair that he touches. She asks, are you cursed? He says, I think that I'm cured. Then he talks of the Nile and the girls in bulrushes. In New York he is laid in a glass-covered case. He pretends he is dead. People crowd round to see him, but each night she comes round and the two wander down.
O cara del Croscat, que són les graderes del Croscat, que encara estan protegides. Croscat.
Then it's her that looks tired, staying up asking questions. He learns how to read from the papers that she is writing about him, and he makes corrections. It's his face on her book. More and more come to look families from Iowa, Upper West Siders. Then one day it's too much. He decides to get up and his chaos ensues. He walks outside to find her. She's using a cane and her face looks too pale, but she's happy to see him. As they walk he supports her. She asks, are you cursed? But his answer's obscured in the sandstorm of flashbulbs and rowdy reporters.
Som a dalt, eh?
Ah, sí, perfecte.
Sí, això és a dalt.
Such reanimation, the two tour the nation. He gets out of limos, he meets other women. He speaks of her fondly, their nights in the museum. But she's just one more rag now he's dragging behind him. She stops going out, she just lies there in bed, in hotels and whatever towns they are speaking. Then her face starts to set and her hands start to fold, and one day the dried figure of her heart stops its beating. Long ago on the ship, she asked why pyramids. He said, think of them as an immense invitation. She asked, are you cursed? He said, I think that I'm cured. Then he kissed her in hope that she'd forget that question.
Comprar una elèctrica.
Estàs censat?
i a vendre pel cul.
Tu, aquesta tarda.
Si dilluns
Jo
vas
per,
a
no,
l'elèctrica,
per
compra'n
seguir,
dues.
per seguir en aquests que van sense elèctrica però van com una elèctrica, tu, jo
Compra'n
compro
dues,
una elèctrica.
compra'n dues, una per fora.
No, ho has d'entrenar.
Ara, ho has d'entrenar més.
Ell no, ell us ha seguit a vosaltres.
Josep,
Has d'entrenar més.
si entrenes més, te costarà menys
que
calés.
el gos, menys
Ja, ja,
de
ja.
el gos.
Josep, explica'ns on t'has parat.
el gos i anar entrenant més bicicleta.
Josep, una pregunta, on t'has parat perquè no ens ho creiem pas.
Collons, ja on t'està tirant la foto?
I què has fet?
He seguit el traç.
Saps per què t'ho dic això del gos?
No sé si no hi ha res.
Collons, si seguiu la velocitat de les elèctriques, si ho està fent tot el rato, si allà pujant a batet heu fet el mateix, jo anava a 12 i no hi havia maneres d'atrapar-vos. Clar, una elèctrica és una elèctrica, collons, i una d'aquestes no hi ha...
Però la Pilar també ha vingut i no porta una elèctrica.
Que va amb elèctrica.
Tu, i l'Alzina que té 92 anys.
Va amb elèctrica, sí, va amb elèctrica.
Xevi tampoc porta elèctrica.
Bueno,